Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a Shein fashion haul, and I do also have a pair of boots as well that I want to show you. I was craving something unique, different, and kind of stands out and very edgy and definitely perfect for going out. They're just very sparkly and fun. So with that being said, this video is in collaboration with Shein, so a big thank you to them for sending all of these pieces to me. If you're interested in anything that I'm gonna show you, just know I will have everything linked down below in the description box and also in the comment section. Without further ado, let's get right into it, starting off with this right here. It has a studded cross. It is so cool. I really love this. This is from ROMWE. It is one of their stores on Shein. If you guys don't know, Shein does have different stores on their website. So yeah, this is from ROMWE and it's more like edgy, kind of like punkish, but I really love the cross. I'm a Christian. I love anything with crosses. This is called the ROMWE Grunge Punk Y2K shirt in the color black. Obviously I got it in the size medium and it was $12.89. I really love it. It's just like a basic black shirt, but it's really cool and edgy with these studs that is shaped as a cross. I was thinking to wear this with some faux leather pants or like some really sparkly pants that I actually picked up, so I'm debating on maybe I'm gonna probably wear that or the skirt that I also picked up that I think will go really well together. Really love this. I go through my stage where I want a certain type of outfit, and this definitely is more like punkish, you know, punk style fashion, but I am here for it. I do like little touches of punk in my wardrobe. I think it's just fun and edgy, very different. Oh my gosh, the back is so cool. It has cutouts that goes all the way down my back, and this one I am most likely gonna wear to the gym. I really like the way it looks, and I think for the gym it is perfect. And I always wear like a shirt going to the gym over like my workout bra, and I just thought this was so cool. It's very soft, has like a nice stretch to it, and it's really good quality. It's true to size and I absolutely love it. Moving on to the next piece is this right here. This is a skirt, and it definitely does give it like a gothic punk style skirt. At the same time, it does have like a Victorian feel to it. I really love this. This one is also by ROMWE. It's called the Goth Elegant skirt, and it's in the color black. I got it in the size medium. It's $22.01. I love the detail. Look at that, guys, how it looks. It has like lace, and then it's like embroidered this detail right here. I love the ruffles and the different length that goes down as it goes down in the skirt. There's this right here at the bottom where it's like more sheer mesh. It's very soft and it's just beautiful. Look at the bottom, guys. Look how gorgeous and playful that is. This one is just gorgeous. I love the way it looks, the way it feels. Has a nice stretch as well. Do you see that? So it sits really nicely on the body. This, I'll definitely have to say, out of everything I got, this one is one of my favorites. I've been wanting something like this for the longest time, and I just think it's just so gorgeous. I love it, love it. Next off is a super fun and a sparkly dress. So I got this one right here, and this one is called the SHEIN ICON silver drop shoulder dress. It's in the color black. I did get in a size large because I wanted to size up on it to look more like loose on my body, the way it looks on the model, and it is $13.65. It is so pretty. I love this so much. So it looks like this, and do you see that it has like sparkles all over, but it's not one of those glitters that comes off. Like it's I think it's sewn in. It's a material that has the glitter on the fabric and they sew it in. It's not one of those that you have to worry about it coming off or rubbing off everywhere. No, this is not going anywhere. Very nice quality. It's not itchy or scratchy. With glitter type material like this, sometimes it could be itchy or scratchy, uncomfortable. This is not itchy or scratchy at all. So it has a nice stretch as well, and I really love the fact that I got it in a size large. I am planning to wear this with like a really nice belt and maybe some black kitten heel boots, or another way that I'm planning on wearing it is just loose like that. Use it with the boots that I'm going to show you right now. There's some ankle boots that I picked up that I thought would look really cute with this. I think with this dress it would look really cute if you're gonna wear some really nice chunky cross necklaces. Wear a clutch with it. If you put like a denim jacket over it, like an oversized denim jacket over it, I think that would be like a complete look. This one is really great quality. I cannot wait to wear this. On to my favorite new really fun pants. I love these. I would definitely say the pants in this dress is basically like the same. Do you see that? It's like the same material, the same feel and everything. It's just these are pants. It does have this zipper that goes down right here, so that way it's easy for you to put these pants on. I did get these in a size medium, and they look like this. It has the wide leg, really cute. I think these are perfect to wear with some heels. These are the SHEIN SXY casual shiny knit pants in the color black, size medium. They do come in like 6 other colors. They are $9.78, and I just think that is such a great price for these pants. I just think these are such fun going out pants. If you want something different, something fun, sparkly, go for it, guys. Wear something fun that you've been wanting to wear, and don't be afraid. I just love these. I just think they are so pretty. I cannot wait to wear these, and I like the fact that they're, again, the material is very soft, has a nice stretch, and it's not itchy or scratchy. It's just really good quality, comfortable material. Next off to something that does have color is this right here. Again, really fun, sparkly top. I think this is perfect to wear with like some really nice light wash denim jeans and perhaps a pair of heels for going out. Kind of like casual, but then at the same time dressy look. Just effortlessly chic. This is by the SHEIN BAE women's fashionable glitter top. This is in the color green, size large, and it is $15. This is just absolutely stunning. I really love it. I did get this in a large because I didn't know how stretchy it is, since it has like the glitter or the sequins. No, it's actually sequins. I didn't know how it's gonna fit, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna size up just to make sure. It has a nice stretch. Like, it's not as stretchy, but it has a good enough stretch where it would fit really nicely. I just love this. I just think this green is gorgeous, and it's just really comfortable as well. It does have an inner lining right here, so you don't have to worry about it scratching you from the outside, because the outside is a little bit scratchy because obviously these are real sequins that they placed on this top, but the fact that they lined it really nicely on the inside, you don't have to worry about it being itchy or scratchy or annoying. I love this. I cannot wait to wear this with like a clutch. This is just so fun and playful. Definitely stands out. It's just, oh my gosh, look at that. It looks like a waterfall. So gorgeous. Great quality. I absolutely love it. On to the boots that I picked up. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. I know I'm gonna wear these a lot for the fall time. Comes in this box right here. They look like this. I just think these are so fun because you can dress these up, dress them down, but it just gives it like that perfect chic, edgy, sexy, but at the same time comfortable style boots. They're just gorgeous. These are in the color black. Obviously it is, I got them in a 6.5, and these are $40.32. Now, when it comes to boots like this that kind of have like a pointy toe right here, I always size up to a 6.5, sometimes 7. I'm normally a size 6. I do have a wide feet, so if you have a wide feet, I definitely recommend that you size up by half. It's only about a 2-inch heel. It is a block heel, so it's very comfortable to walk in. To open it up, you just zip this down right here, and that way it's easy for you to put your feet inside. It does have like this really beautiful like suede material, and then it has this really nice patent vegan leather. Gorgeous. Love this. Very comfortable, but really nice and dressy at the same time. I'm really looking forward to wearing this. The last 2 items that I picked up are accessories, or no, one is accessory and one is a fall decor. This one, I surprised myself that I wanted to pick it up, but I actually really love it. It's very edgy. It has like spikes. It is a headband, and it has spikes going everywhere. I love it. I just think it looks so cool. Gives you like a really nice, different, edgy look. This one is a leather punk style headband in the color black. It is $4.50, and it's very comfortable too on my head. Last but not least, I wanted to get this right here, and it is a garland. It's really cute. I think it's very full as well for what it is. Like, really nice quality. I love the different colors of the leaves. It's just perfect like fall color. This one is called the Autumn Artificial Maple Leaves. I got the one in the 1.7 meters. They do have different sizes. There's one that's smaller, but I got the one that's larger, and it was $5.40. Looks like it's about 6 feet. It's pretty long. But yeah, I wanted to get this for fall because it is fall, so I wanted to get some fall decor. So cute. I think it's very full. Do you see that? It's really nice and full for a garland. Some of these, when you pick them up, they are really bad and they're like so thin that you have to buy like 2 or 3. I think that is really nice. Anyways, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know which one was your favorite piece. Subscribe if you haven't already. It is free, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. I do post at least twice a week, sometimes 3 or 4. It just depends, but I do post quite a bit on my YouTube channel. I post a lot of like fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. So if you like that type of content, don't forget to subscribe. And of course, I do a lot of Shein videos like this. And if you like this type of content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really does help my YouTube algorithm, and it does push my video out to other viewers that like this type of content. I would truly appreciate it. That is one way you can support my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for all the love and support, all your beautiful, amazing comments that you guys always leave me. Until next time, remember, God bless, and as we say in Romanian, la revedere.